1. 1975 Chevrolet Love Real Street. Price, $22,000, located, Van Nuys, California. The 1975 Chevrolet Love Real Street is a purpose-built drag truck that provides an excellent foundation for anyone looking to complete a serious high-performance racing project. Finished in bright orange with a clean title, this lightweight truck has been professionally prepared for big block Chevrolet power and a power glide transmission, allowing the next owner to install the drivetrain of choice. The chassis features an outdated 7.50 certified chromoly roll cage, making it ideal for upgrading to current racing standards. Performance hardware includes a Fab 9 rear end equipped with premium strange components, a nodular iron center section, 3.90 gears, and durable 35 spline axles. Willwood brakes deliver dependable stopping performance, while strange double adjustable rear coilover shocks help fine-tune suspension settings. Additional racing equipment includes an SNW ladder bar suspension, wheelie bars, odometer gauges, MSD ignition, centerline wheels, and 31 by 13.50 by 15 Mickey Thompson ET street tires with room for even larger rubber. Registered as non-operational, this California truck does not require smog inspections, making it a valuable starting point for building a competitive street and strip machine with tremendous performance potential. 2. 1974 Plymouth Duster. Price, $35,000, located, St. George, Utah. This 1974 Plymouth Duster is a purpose-built drag racing machine that comes with an enclosed race trailer, making it an outstanding package for racers who want a complete setup. Built for serious quarter-mile competition, this race car is powered by a massive 521 cubic inch V1 engine producing approximately 1100 horsepower, delivering exceptional acceleration and impressive track performance. The professionally prepared chassis is certified for high-speed competition and is matched with a durable 727 automatic transmission equipped with an airshifter, trans brake, line lock, and a high-stall converter for consistent launches. Power is transferred through a Ford 9-inch rear axle featuring a spool and 4.30 gears for maximum traction. The car includes nearly new racing slicks with only a couple of passes completed. The package also includes a 24-foot V-nose tandem axle trailer for convenient transportation. A detailed engine build sheet is included, while ownership is transferred through a bill of sale since this is a dedicated race vehicle. This combination is fully prepared for competitive racing with minimal additional preparation required. 3. 1971 Maverick Drag Racer. Price, $26,000, located, San Dimas, California. This 1971 Maverick Drag Racer has been professionally transformed into a lightweight competition machine designed for outstanding strip performance. Featuring a full square tube chassis with ladder bar suspension and a complete roll cage, this purpose-built racer combines strength with reduced weight for consistent launches. Power comes from a massive 545 cubic inch Ford big block paired with a C6 automatic transmission, 5000 stall converter, trans brake, air shifter, and line lock for maximum racing capability. The drivetrain is completed by a quick performance rear axle fitted with 35 spline components and aggressive 4.30 gears. QA1 adjustable shocks help fine-tune suspension performance while MSD ignition and memory attach equipment support reliable operation. Fresh racing slicks and lightweight front runners are already installed. The fiberglass tilt front end reduces weight while factory glass, steel doors, and original bumpers preserve much of the classic Maverick appearance. Running impressive elapsed times on pump fuel, this drag car is available with an 18-foot Featherlight trailer, creating a ready-to-race package suitable for experienced racers or enthusiasts seeking a proven competition vehicle. 4. 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $30,000, located, Lake Havasu City, Arizona. This 1970 Chevrolet Nova has been professionally constructed as a serious drag racing platform with premium competition components throughout. Built around a full-tube chassis carrying a current 7.50 certification, this race car offers the strength and safety required for high-horsepower performance. The setup is designed for a big-block Chevrolet engine and powerglide transmission, making it an excellent foundation for competitive racing. A Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with Pro gears and heavy-duty 40-spline axles delivers outstanding durability under extreme acceleration. The steel roof and quarter panels retain classic Nova styling while the fresh paint gives the car an attractive appearance. Racing equipment includes a Halon fire suppression system, racepack digital dash with data logger, KNR wiring, MSD grid ignition management, and a modern 16-volt electrical system. Buyers may purchase the car as a roller or select the complete package featuring a freshly dyno-tested 632 cubic inch all-aluminum Brodix engine, dry sump lubrication, a Bruzy Powerglide transmission, and Neil Chance bolt-together converter. 5. 1972 Plymouth Duster. Price, $22,500, located, Phoenix, Arizona. This 1972 Plymouth Duster has been extensively modified into a competitive drag racing machine featuring lightweight construction and proven performance components. Numerous fiberglass body panels including the hood, deck lid, fenders, doors, bumpers, and Lexan windows significantly reduce overall weight while maintaining the unmistakable Duster profile. Power is generated by a freshly assembled 513 cubic inch stroker engine using a 440 source foundation with an Indy top end package, solid roller valve train, and a large 1050 Dominator carburetor. An MSD ignition system and Milodon oiling system provide dependable performance under demanding racing conditions. The drivetrain includes a newly prepared ANA-built 727 automatic transmission equipped with a dual neutral trans brake for consistent race launches. A narrowed 8 3/4 rear axle works together with aerospace 4-wheel disc brakes to provide reliable stopping power and stability. An 8-point roll cage, odometer gauges, and competition-focused engineering complete this race-ready package, making it an excellent choice for bracket racing or dedicated drag strip competition. 6. 1970 Chevrolet El Camino. Price, $40,000, located, Apple Valley, California. This 1970 Chevrolet El Camino combines classic American styling with extraordinary pro-street performance in a fully street-legal package. Under the hood sits a massive blown 540 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine producing approximately 1,000 horsepower, delivering incredible acceleration while maintaining impressive drivability. The engine is paired with a durable 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission engineered to handle extreme power levels. A narrowed rear axle, oversized Mickey Thompson performance tires, and custom wheels provide outstanding traction while enhancing the aggressive stance of this remarkable build. Despite its racing-inspired appearance, this El Camino retains a clean title and is legal for public roads, making it equally suitable for weekend cruising, local car shows, or special performance events. The carefully prepared chassis and drivetrain offer dependable operation while turning heads everywhere it travels. Finished in vibrant orange with a black interior, this custom pickup represents an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a high-horsepower street machine that delivers both visual impact and unforgettable driving excitement. 7. 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle. Price, $65,000, located, Lakeside, California. This 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle is an exceptionally powerful competition machine built for serious drag racing while showcasing the timeless appeal of classic American muscle. At its heart is a massive 582 cubic inch Chevrolet big block engine supported by an entirely updated Holley Terminator X dual throttle body fuel injection system, new fuel pumps, digital instrumentation, modern control electronics, and fresh fuel lines for dependable performance. The vehicle rides on brand new wheels wrapped with racing slicks, while an MSD distributor ensures reliable ignition under demanding conditions. Built specifically for sanctioned racing, this Chevelle includes an NHRA-certified 7.50 Sportsman chassis, wheelie bars, parachute, and oversized racing tires designed for maximum traction during hard launches. Although not intended for street use, it represents an outstanding opportunity for racers seeking a professionally prepared competition vehicle with premium components already installed. The clean title, impressive mechanical specification, and willingness to consider selected trades further increase the appeal of this outstanding high-performance race car. 8. 1978 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe 2D. Price, $20,000, located, Whitman, Arizona. This 1978 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe offers an exciting opportunity to own an iconic American sports car with classic styling and custom performance potential. Finished in an attractive silver exterior, this Corvette maintains the unmistakable long hood, sweeping fenders, and aggressive body lines that made the third-generation Stingray a favorite among enthusiasts. Equipped with an automatic transmission and showing approximately 500 miles since its current build, this coupe is ready for weekend cruising, local car events, or further personalization. The vehicle presents a clean appearance while preserving the bold personality expected from a vintage Corvette. Its lightweight fiberglass body contributes to responsive handling and timeless appeal, making it equally enjoyable on scenic drives or displayed at automotive gatherings. This classic sports car provides an excellent foundation for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a unique American performance icon. Combining vintage design, dependable mechanical simplicity, and undeniable curb appeal, this Corvette represents an excellent value for anyone seeking a memorable classic with lasting collector interest. 9. 1970 Chevrolet Pickup. Price, $30,000, located, Queen Creek, Arizona. This 1970 Chevrolet pickup is a remarkable custom street rod that blends Hollywood history with award-winning craftsmanship. Known for appearing in the motion picture Con Air, this truck has earned significant recognition within the custom vehicle community and has even been featured on the cover of a respected street rod magazine. Under the hood sits a powerful 454 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine delivering impressive performance and a deep, unmistakable exhaust note. The professionally tubbed chassis allows for an aggressive stance while accommodating larger rear tires that enhance both appearance and traction. Inside, the custom interior has been carefully crafted to complement the truck's unique personality, creating a comfortable environment for cruising or attending major automotive events. This pickup has received numerous awards thanks to its detailed construction and standout presentation. Combining movie heritage, proven show quality, strong V8 performance, and classic Chevrolet styling, this custom truck offers collectors and enthusiasts a truly distinctive vehicle that stands apart from ordinary street rods. 10. 1955 Chevrolet 210. Price, $55,000, located, Glendale, Arizona. This 1955 Chevrolet 210 is an outstanding pro-street build that combines legendary Tri-5 styling with impressive drag-inspired performance. Under the hood sits a powerful 392 Hemi engine topped with a striking 671 supercharger, producing exceptional horsepower while maintaining dependable street manners. Power is delivered through a durable 727 3-speed automatic transmission connected to a Dana 60 rear axle featuring aggressive 4.11 gears for excellent acceleration. Despite its impressive capability, this Chevrolet remains fully street legal with a clear title, allowing it to be enjoyed on public roads, at local cruise nights, or major car shows. Built to consistently produce high 10-second quarter-mile times, the vehicle delivers serious performance while preserving its classic American appearance. The clean white exterior combined with a distinctive green interior creates a memorable color combination that attracts attention wherever it travels. This professionally prepared Chevrolet represents an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a powerful vintage muscle car with authentic hot rod character and reliable performance. 11. 1950 Mercury 8 Coupe. Price, $55,000, located, Mesa, Arizona. This 1950 Mercury 8 Coupe is a beautifully customized traditional lead sled that perfectly captures the spirit of classic American hot rodding. Powered by a cammed and supercharged 350 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine, this Mercury delivers impressive performance along with the unmistakable sound expected from a custom street machine. The body has received numerous traditional custom modifications including a chopped roof, shaved trim, French details, custom suspension, and handcrafted exhaust equipped with performance valves and dumps. Finished in an eye-catching purple exterior over a brown interior, the car presents an unforgettable appearance while maintaining its timeless Mercury character. Extensive custom work throughout the vehicle demonstrates careful craftsmanship and attention to detail. The clean title allows straightforward ownership transfer after the existing loan is satisfied. Shipping assistance is available for buyers outside Arizona, making acquisition more convenient. Combining classic styling, modern performance upgrades, and exceptional craftsmanship, this Mercury stands as an outstanding example of vintage American custom car culture. 12. 1992 Ford Ranger Pro Street. Price, $18,500, located, Flat Rock, Michigan. This 1992 Ford Ranger Pro Street has been professionally transformed into a powerful custom performance truck designed for both cruising and spirited driving. Under the hood is a legendary 351 Cleveland V8 equipped with a tunnel ram intake, MSD ignition system, and custom fabricated fender well headers connected to a 3-inch performance exhaust for outstanding power and an aggressive sound. A TCIC-4 automatic transmission transfers power to a narrowed Ford 8.8 rear axle supported by ladder bars and adjustable coil-over suspension for dependable traction. The firewall has been relocated to accommodate the extensive drivetrain modifications while maintaining a clean engine compartment. Finished in hot rod black paint, the truck features a rust-free body, upgraded interior, and brand new Mickey Thompson performance tires that complete its aggressive appearance. Every aspect of this build reflects careful planning and quality workmanship. Ready to drive and enjoy immediately, this unique Pro Street Ranger offers impressive performance, distinctive styling, and excellent value for hot rod enthusiasts seeking something truly different.